Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 14, 2023. 3-star Sudoku. Column J, 8th row, we have pair numbers 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 8th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. The 9th kid, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th row, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 5. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column E, column G, we get 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 4. 2nd row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 2nd grade, only 1 numbers are remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 9, 4, 8. The 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 2nd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th grade, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. In column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 1st grade, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 2nd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 2nd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Column D, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H, 7th row and 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Then third grid, only one number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. Then column I, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 7th row, we got 9, so 9 can't come in this, so 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, we got 6, so 6 can't come in this, so 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th row, we have 8, so it can't come in this, so 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 6th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this, so 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 6th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this, so 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 5. 5th row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then the column H, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.